Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video. This is probably the most requested video on my channel right now, and it is a makeup routine, makeup, anything makeup related you guys want to see. So I'm finally doing this video. I don't usually wear makeup that much, but if I was to wear makeup every day, this is what I would wear. But yeah, if you like this video anytime, like this video, subscribe down below to join the family, and let's get started. Okay guys, this my friend is all the makeup I own. I know, crazy. Like, people keep asking me to do like a makeup collection. It's like, I feel like that video is gonna be pretty short, but okay. First, I'm just gonna put my hair up into a low ponytail, get it out of the way with this super cute camo scrunchie. Got it from Shopco, in case you're wondering. It came in like a pack of 5. I don't know, now I'm just rambling. Okie dokie. First, I'm just going to use this Flower Mill primer. It was sent to me by Kinder Beauty Box. Thank you so much for sending it to me. This video is not sponsored. They just sent me some stuff and I loved it, so I'm gonna feature it in this video. Everything I'm using I absolutely love, or it's just cheap and that's all I can afford. I don't know why, but it always like makes my eye water. Now I'm going to just take my damp beauty blender and apply the CoverGirl concealer in the shade Fair because I'm very pale. We love that. I don't wear any foundation. I just wear concealer because my under eyes drive me crazy. But yeah, let's do this. Also, disclaimer, I am not a beauty guru in any way, you might have noticed, but if you are good at makeup, please do your girl a favor and leave some advice down below. Honey, I need it. Okay, so now after my concealer, I think that's good. Sometimes I do 2 coats, but today we're just gonna do 1 because I'm lazy. What's new? After I do my concealer, I take my eyelash curler, the Sally Hansen $3 Walmart one. Yes, that's mine. I love it, actually. I mean, you don't really need a fancy eyelash curler. You just need like an eyelash curler. So that's what I have. Yeah. Also, yes, I'm wearing pajama pants because this is YouTube and you only see the front half of my body. We love that. Actually, like, seriously, can I have this be my job so I can stay in pajama pants all day? Kidding, that's not all we do, but it kind of is. Okay, yay. So next, I'll just take my chapstick and I'll put it on my eyebrows. And I know what you're thinking, that's so weird, Cassie, and yes, it is weird. But, I mean, this is my makeup routine, so let me live. Okay. I just think it like makes my eyebrows stay in a specific shape longer throughout the day. And I mean, it just works for me, so whatever works for you, go for it. You know, that's my motto. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Body Shop Brow Definer in the shade, I don't know, it's kind of like all scraped off, so I actually don't know what shade it's in. I'm so sorry. But yeah, just go hit up the Body Shop. It's my favorite place to shop. I literally could spend hours in there. It's amazing. Also, I apologize. I'm just like staring into the viewfinder. Viewfinder. Wow, Cassie, you're just acting like you actually use a camera. Kidding, just my phone, but I'm not looking you like straight in the eye, so I apologize. I love all this rambling that I'm probably gonna cut out. I love this. Don't you just love it, future Cassie, that you have to edit all this? Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, we get to move on to the fun stuff. Oh, who am I kidding? That's my favorite part of the makeup routine. I love doing my brows. Favorite part by far. But now we're gonna move on to mascara. This is the Organic Wear Physicians Formula. I got it for $5 on clearance at Ulta's. Thumbs up, because everything there is like $20+ and I don't got that money. Man, close up, you can just see all of my flaws. Okie dokie, so those are my eyelashes, and now we're gonna move on to lips, and I'm going to take my favorite thing in the world. Where is it? Let me find it. I found it. It is Carmex. It soothes, it heals, it protects. Just sponsor me already, Carmex. I'm ready. Anyways, so let's do this. You just like take a moment and appreciate this palette, these palettes. They're from like the 80s when absolutely nobody cared what the palettes looked like. You know, they're still good quality, I think, I hope. And also, this is what happens when you put your straightener on your palette. It just completely, I don't know what happened actually. Yeah, this is a special occasion. We're filming a video today, so I'm going to be putting on the rose beige, and I don't actually know what brand this is. I should probably figure that out. You know, if I figure it out, it'll be in the description box. But yeah, I'm going to be using the rose beige, and yeah, let's do this. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the inner corners just to get that little pop of something. I don't know. I don't actually, should I put highlight on the sides? I feel like I should. Okay, we're gonna do that because we're going all out today. We're going out of our comfort zone today because we're filming a video. So I'm gonna put highlight on my cheekbones with the bedhead brush. I mean, I know bedhead makes hair products, but I guess they're stepping out of their comfort zone too and making makeup brushes. Yeah, so, you know, go you, bedhead. Go you. Ooh, should I be like that trendy person and put it on the tip of my nose? Even though I'm so oily that there's already like, it's already shining, but you know, we'll try it. We are going to be that cool person that puts highlight on their nose. This is gonna go south fast. Oh no, that's not right. Oh boy. Oh my word, that pops. I kind of see why people do that now. Oh my word. Okay, so this is my simple makeup that you could wear every day. I personally don't because I don't got time for that because I wake up so late and I'm like, yo, I'm supposed to be at school in 5 minutes. You know, that's my life. So I should totally make an updated like school routine where I'm actually like dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. That is totally gonna get cut out. Future Cassie, cut that out of the video. Okay, yo guys, we should do like those cool shots where people are like, oh, my makeup, you know? We should totally do that. Okay, let's do it. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, enough of that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, let me know by liking this video and leaving a comment down below. I love talking to you guys, so leave a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, my name's Cassie, and I post every single Sunday, so you should definitely check out my channel down below and maybe subscribe if it meets your standards, if it meets your approval. Yeah, go ahead, check it out and subscribe down below. No peer pressure, although good peer pressure is a good thing, so this is some good peer pressure that you should subscribe to my channel. Yeah? No? Okay. If you want to see my everyday behind the scenes type of life, I've been trying to be way more active on there. You should definitely check out my Instagram. It's at kasikay.yt. Yeah, go check it out. It's linked in the description box as always. But yeah, I think that's definitely enough rambling for one video, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!